What if hiring wasn't a headache, but a smooth, intelligent process? Introducing HireSkill as your AI-powered hiring partner. Click the Post a Job button in the top right corner. As the first step, add the job title and experience level. Based on this, AI will automatically generate the job details section, which includes the job description, qualifications, key responsibilities, and preferred skills relevant to the role. Based on the job role, AI will automatically generate screening questions. You can also include your own personalized questions and enter the expected answer. Before proceeding to the next page, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Based on this, AI will generate the topics to be covered. For each topic, you can view the weightage, allocated time, and required knowledge depth. You also have the option to add your own topics. AI will generate the feedback setup, focusing on key aspects of the interview round, such as knowledge, skills, and tools. If you want, you can add another category in the feedback setup, such as communication, and finally click on Finish and Create Job. At the end, click on Publish Job Post and copy the link. When candidates click on the link, where they can view your company's job post, the first round is the screening round, where candidates respond to follow-up questions. During the interview, AI asks questions based on the job post